Hello everyone! If you're new here, I can tell you that I like to try difficult moorings with my boat. And you should subscribe. Today I want to try how the boat behaves in the wind. You should try it on your boat too. That will give you confidence in a windy situation. Here I give the boat some forward motion. That will give me some more time to jump on the boat. First we check if the boat thruster can move the boat. Then I'm going to move the rear with the propellers. That will make it harder for the boat thruster. I have full rudder at port, but I have to increase the RPM on starboard engine to twist the boat. And I balance the boat with the port engine so it doesn't move forward or backward. This is clearly too much for the boat thruster, so now we slowly get the boat back on the dock. Next attempt is with less rudder, and we move the boat forward a bit and then try to drive us out of this. If the wind is blowing too hard, just stop the boat and the boat will touch the dock gently. Never try to move the boat forward if you don't know you're gonna clear the dock. When we're driving, we're gonna lose power on the boat thruster, and the boat thruster battery will slowly drain out. If you get some space between the boat and the dock, you can move forward really fast. Then turn sharp to port when half of the boat has left the dock. That will make the stern of the boat move away from the dock. Here is almost no wind, so you can do a beautiful docking. But there is some current you have to watch out for. Now my father is calling. He's always calling when I'm docking. keep the boat really close, and you can do this without the boat thruster. Starboard in forward, we pull the bow closer to the dock and stop the twisting motion. Port in forward will increase the twisting motion. The engine in reverse is just to stop the boat moving forward. The current is now pushing the boat forward, and you can hear the rope stretching. This is important. Always twist the rope around something.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.